Chef Ricardo, welcome to Chef Ricardo Cooking Jamaica. Get ready to embark on a journey to flavorful paradise as we explore the scrumptious Jamaican delights that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Chef Ricardo, Jamaica is not only known for its beautiful beaches and reggae music, but also for its mouth-watering cuisine. Today, I will be your guide, taking you step by step through some of our most beloved Jamaican dishes. Chef Ricardo, first up, we have the iconic Jamaican jerk chicken. With its aromatic spices and smoky flavor, it's a true delight for any meat lover. Chef Ricardo, now, let's move on to our famous curry goat. Tender pieces of goat meat infused with Jamaican curry powder and a blend of spices, slow cooked to perfection. Chef Ricardo, and of course, no Jamaican feast is complete without our ackee and saltfish. This unique combination of our national fruit, ackee, and salted codfish is simply divine. Chef Ricardo, but let's not forget about our vegetarian friends. Our callaloo dish, made from the nutritious callaloo leaves, is a favorite among locals and a must-try for anyone seeking a true taste of Jamaica. Chef Ricardo, finally, we can't end this journey without a sweet treat. Our world-famous Jamaican rum cake will satisfy any dessert lover's cravings. Chef Ricardo, so, are you ready to embark on this flavorful adventure with me? Stick around as we continue to explore the vibrant and diverse culinary traditions of Jamaica. Chef Ricardo, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking and remember to always savor the flavors of Jamaica.